So right now I'm just at a standstill on this car. The 450 is off right now. It'll be back shortly. The upper control arms will be coming in, and then I can finish assembling everything as far as the spindles and the hub bearing. And I just wanted to see how the rotor's gonna go in there. Kind of just get a mock-up of what it's gonna look like, and before I even actually try to sit up there on there, because I'm still gonna have to wait on the springs and the coils, the coil springs and the shocks. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna do a 1 inch drop on the front. I was thinking about doing a 2 inch drop. I believe it's a Beltec setup for this. I'm most likely gonna go ahead and go with that 2 inch just because this car got some very small wheels, like some 16s to some 17s. So I just think being lower in the front make it look a lot better. I don't like a lot of wheel gap on my cars. I haven't really messed with Mr. Tropicana, but I'm throw you on time lapse. I got a couple things I got in real quick before I throw you on time lapse because I'm definitely gonna do some time lapse on this stuff. I have to move jack stands and get the toolbox ready to go, and I may go ahead and throw that front piece on here. See if I find all the bolts. And man, it sound like a bird up in my shop. I'm not gonna mess with the front bumper right now on this one. But I definitely need to get that door ready to go up out of here. Get that off the stand. Put it on the car. I should have fired that four wheeler up, but I didn't do it. Still ain't done it. 'Cause I know I'm gonna want to ride. And I do have that sway bar. It's at the house. It's ready to go. So bring the sway bar down here. Get it ready to install. I got everything I need except for those last two parts. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw y'all on time lapse and do what I gotta do. Jack stands, that toolbox, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. Oh man. So as y'all can see, I put that fender back on and I was not trying to get this knee deep in on this one, man. It's a bag full of rusty parts, but we here. I'm gonna mess with this fender just a little bit more. I just want to start kind of looking like a car, you know, just somewhat. I'm probably gonna hang the other fender because it's taking up a lot of space. I need this car to start getting back together in one piece. And I got one thing I want to show y'all too. Let me. So I was messing around on Amazon and I seen a way where I could do some custom stuff. I do a lot of different things on Amazon, and this just so happened to be one of them. I'm hoping it's not too far out of range, but as I can see, let me see. Let me step back, man. Let me as y'all can see, got my first little banner. It's not major. Just something simple, cheap little banner. Something I could just put on my little cars and stuff. I kind of just wanted to hang it on the background, hang it up there on the wall. That's what I really had wanted to do. Just hang it back there. And I'm gonna get to it, but you know, I'm gonna wrap it up in the meantime. Man, I was sure hoping I was gonna sell those headers. People don't know a good deal when they see them, man. Y'all know anybody that got some headers? Need some headers for a 350 small block. They working with like a box Chevy, a donk. They need some Flowtex. I believe those are the ones I bought for my box Chevy. Just some Flowtech headers. Nothing spectacular, but at this point in time, I need to buy parts for something else. and it's a project I no longer have. So if y'all been keeping up the channel, y'all know I sold the box Chevy. Didn't lose no sleep over it at all, you know. But let me move some things around, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. Man, that said I was just gonna come over here for a little bit. Now I got over here and worked up a sweat trying to put these fenders back together. Man, and it's still way off. I should have left the fenders alone. Should have left it alone. What else I do when I was over here today? Oh, I put this on. Put that front piece on. Got it all together. I'm getting ready to put my rest of my bolts in for the fender. But man, this thing requires a lot of shims and stuff, so I may just be doing a mock-up. I'd rather do something that I'm a little bit more comfortable in, because I don't want to keep on and take them on, off, take them on, take them off, take them on, take them off. I'll just temporarily put them on there and move it on to something else until I can finish the front suspension. Right now, kind of on the hold, so that's why I guess I'll fool with the fenders, but just not tonight. And I finished putting all the rest of the suspension. I got everything I need now, except for 2 parts. So, yes, sir. Y'all stay tuned. It's coming together. All right, so I was able to get everything back fully assembled. So you got the piston and you got the other part, and it's ready to mount. Got both of them in here in this box. I'm probably gonna put these inside the car until I come back from Alabama. And I go home, bury my mother. But yeah, we're gonna keep a push on. Gotta get those on the car. I found the dust plates, so I'm gonna go ahead and start laying out everything. I was thinking about possibly taking these again, these powder coated black, but I may not even install those dust plates. I really don't really like the way they look. These right now, I'm looking for that part right there, and I gotta find the ball joints. I gave him the JSP. He misplaced them, so I can't install these. He said he'll check the unit this weekend. I know I for sure gave them to him, so hopefully he didn't throw them away or anything, because I know he got them. But I believe that these have to be this way to install. I may have to make some adjustments from what he was telling me. I might have to take these loose right here on these bolts, take them a little bit loose, and then spin this. Now that I look at the control arms, they didn't seem as complicated. The brake calipers, he did say that they put a lot of powder in there, and he wasn't able to get the rubber bushings and seals that went in there. And so he said he got them in there now, and I think he did a great job on everything. All in all, man, I'm thankful to have a friend like Jay, that he could do the small things, even though he'd rather work on Hondas. But it's still good that he helped me out on these. But looking at him moving forward, I'll know what to do next time. And that's the thing, I only like to pay one time, that's it. But that's what this channel is about, really. I'm trying to buy things, build it, and I'm not trying to buy stuff that's already bought. I'm trying to build mine from the bottom up to make sure it's done right. And if you like that type of stuff, restorations, four-wheelers, dirt bikes, this is the channel for you. Man, all you gotta do is this: subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell So anytime I'm dropping a new video, you'll be able to see. So, like I was saying earlier, my mother did pass on Memorial Day at about like 10:30 or so. So these last few days have not really been all that good. I can say that much. But we're gonna go to Alabama. I'm gonna bury her Monday, not this Monday. They just passed, of course, but the 10th of June, we having her ceremony on the 8th, which is the Saturday. And so this video, I'm recording it. I believe it's what today is, Wednesday. I'm finna go to Alabama Friday morning, bright and early, and then I'll be down there to probably Monday or Tuesday. And yeah, man, I'm gonna probably hit y'all with some vlogs while I'm down there. Ain't no telling, but y'all just stay tuned. What you looking for in there, George? I don't know. What you recommend? I mean, them already passed. My partner, I don't think he ever used them for real. They look kind of new, huh?
Yeah, it's like a lot of.
Shout out to my boy Penny LS1, man, for sure. Appreciate you, George.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, my buddy that be helping me do this, he low-key be hating because it ain't Honda. He got to thank for Hondas, man. Hondas and Yamahas. If it ain't that, he ain't trying to work on it.
Shit. Like, how do you lift this up?
Oh, you lift that little knob right there. Yep. Need some light in there?
I got it.
Okay.
I think these right here usually have like a rubber boot. Do you have that?
No.
I think it's like a rubber boot or something there. But it usually, like whenever you service your brakes.
I got to get that rubber boot for it, though, huh?
Yeah, it's usually, it's a lot easier when it's on the car because it'll be like that. Now you gotta do is just swing this open, boom, boom, take them off, boom, 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 put them back in and...
See if it's a rubber boot in there, in the bag. It look like I see something that look funny, like a rubber boot.
Yeah, it was a bolt.
Oh.
Bolt. I mean, I'm thinking it should take like a